Well, hiking up here. The boys are in front of me. There. We just made it to the first viewpoint. The boys are sitting down.
Yep.
Look at this view. Now balancing rocks just a little bit up that way, so we're gonna head up there. We made it to the big balancing rock.
Right there.
Oh, I'm tired. Just climbed on top of the rock. Kanan! Yeah, this is quite nice. All right, well, now we stayed here at the rock. We went on top a little bit. Now we're gonna go over that way and we're gonna hike up that mountain right there. There, we finally made it up to the bluffs right now. Setting up camp right now. Look at that view. So, got the stove going.
Got some high heat right now. We're gonna put on legs.
All right, so we're getting some firewood right now to start a big fire. Here we go.
I'm gonna try the vegetable.
Got fire. Got the fire going right now. Just got some ravioli going. We're gonna cook it on the gas stove. We're getting the hammock set up right now. Got our baked beans. That's the way a man's meant to live. How's the beans?
Perfect.
That's great. We're in the hammock right now, enjoying the view. We're gonna have some nice peace tea here.
Look at that view.
Yeah, right in the hammocks. Laying back. Nice stir fry there. Well, we're all laying back in the hammock. We got some drinks, we got our food and chips. We're just enjoying the view. We got the peaches opened here. Let's see how they taste. They good? It's good. All right, we're hiking again. We're gonna head over to some waterfalls. We left your bags back at camp, so it's pretty easy to get there. We got some chips. All right. There. Go in front of me, guys.
Let's try to get some fresh water.
Ready? And look at that waterfall. Oh!
Let's drink some. Yeah.
What's left?
Drink some, no one watch you.
It's
It's beautiful.
Stop eating it up here.
Bro, this is
Is that good? Good water?
it's good. It's good. Nice and fresh.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and until next time,
Keep it wild.